Well, I'll simply report what Wall Street's thinking about, what top economists in the U.S. Are predicting. They can sometimes be wrong, right? They're not privy to the Federal Reserve boardroom meetings, which get underway a little bit later this morning. But the expectation is that there will be no changes to interest rates. And we're watching this because I know people are wondering about, all right, could they refinance their house? Could we get a 30-year mortgage? What about those interest rates on my credit card, right? So much is tied to these Federal Reserve meetings. The sense is that there's just too much volatility right now with the economy, that there's a chance tariffs may raise prices, may increase inflation, that the Federal Reserve just doesn't want to add any more volatility by changing current interest rates. I think the bigger news, I think a lot of journalists in Washington will certainly be watching tomorrow, guys, is what does Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell say about the long-term state of the economy? The R word is creeping back into more of our newscasts, right? The possibility of a recession. Does the Federal Reserve Chairman see it that way? How healthy is the American economy? And then, there's something known as bad interest rate cuts, right? We've been talking a lot the last several months about possible good interest rate cuts because inflation's coming down. But bad interest rate cuts are when the Federal Reserve has to step in and cut interest rates because the economy's not doing well at all, something that nobody wants. So we'll watch this two-day meeting, again, getting underway in Washington, and we always follow these because it has an impact on all of our wallets.
Yes.